Welcome to the advanced class of LBallet. This morning the dancers are Merel, Sarah and Isis. We start with the left foot and 2 hands at the bar, with a battement tendu to the front, flexing from the toes, heel front and not lifting the leg, and point and close. Really feel every piece of your joints, and point and close on 2 legs. Going on 1, circle, big circle to the side, demi-plie, the hips in between the legs, going on 1. From the bottom of your leg, lift, go and close. The other leg, and the flex, and the point, close, in, to the side, and flex, and pointing, and the closing front. 1, circle, plie, and point. From the bottom of the leg, keep the hips square, and closing. The same to the back. Then on releve, right arm, bending over to the side, to the left, circle, like you're stirring in the pudding, and coming up. Other side, demi-plie, turn, stretching the hamstrings, stretching in first, holding, keeping the legs together, not opening, and the first port de bras on 3/4 foot. Da-dee-da. And front, flex, point, close on 2 legs, going on 1. And front, circle, plie, and up. From the bottom of your leg, closing, and 1 and 2. One, opening and plie, and up. It's a diagonal going up. Go to the back. 2. Plie and up. Go. And 1. And releve, right arm and up and go. Circle. And 1. In front of your hips, the side. Yes, going. Only the top of your body. And demi-plie and turn. And go front, hanging. And roll up, turning out and 1, 2. And up. Arms are picking up. 1, 2. Hold your back. And strong ankles, nice. Open your legs. Opening. allongé, and finish. Okay, I have one tip for you. You are going out nicely with the heels through the floor, but try to go back also with the heel through the floor. In your brains, when you remember this, going through the floor, your battement tendu will get a little longer. So try it, do it. A battement tendu to the side, and then remember I go with my heels through the floor, back. You see? It's a little trickying your own brains to get the tendu wider away, further away, and now through the floor. You feel? And then you get really a longer tendu. And we want to have long legs, isn't it? Battement tendu. Plié. We are going demi-plié and 1, 2, 3, up. Now the arm change at the bending of the legs and open, up, stay, arm long, grand plié, and 2, and 3, on the whole foot, going to the front, arm in first, coming up, arm first, third, tendu. In second, the same, cambré to the side. In fourth, you come up from the grand plié with the arm in third to bend backwards, opening, but not when you have a little pain in your back. So Isis, come up with the arm high. Sarah and Merel can open the arm. In fifth, relevé, sous, détourné. I'll help you in. The arm changes when you make your plié, your demi-plié. But when you start, it's really and 1, 2, 3, up. And from there on, arm and up, and arm, holding second, allongé. Yes? There we go. And arm, up, arm. From the inside, allongé. Going. And demi. Arm up. Nice. Open. Relevé, holding, allongé. Coming up, opening the arm. Up and bending sideward. Tendu 1. Little finger out. Relevé. Keep your hips open, nice, Merel, go. Arm up, on the whole foot, and tendu, and go. Up. This one ends from the demi-plié, up, détourné, go, arm up, demi-plié, take the dance in your thigh. hold your pelvis completely still. It's only the legs.